boy, that's a really good start. The temporary pallet front axle could not withstand the load and broke. Even the best heavy-duty wheels are useless if the pallet is too weak. Anyone who thinks that would be the big annoyance in this video episode will be taught a lesson, promised. First out with the old stuff to free the floor from the dirt, rust and old underseal. Some rust converter on the rusty spots. Yes, here was the towing hook, which was probably torn out during a towing operation. Here I still have to repair the frame and weld a new hook, but things are already looking good here and we can then start the KLine rust stop. While the color dries, I reinforced one of Hannah's wagons, which is intended to serve as a replacement for my unsuccessful pallet construction. Wow, that looks great.
All black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die, know that they ride or die. Now I'm moving, I gotta do what I do. I'm really here on my ones now instead of 4 3s or 2s. And now it's Effie from Paris. I could have been doing you in Paris. I don't wait for the drop, I just flow from the pop. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play?
Yes, perfect. This morning I wanted to push the bus into the workshop. The wheels of the car under the front axle are too weak. It's a large amount of weight on the front, and they are plastic wheels which are made of hard plastic. Since one has now placed across and was going to break, I now have to put wheels on the new pallet, which luckily I had already prepared, place it under the car, and then I can push the bus onto the lifting platform. I hope it doesn't rain in the meantime.
Look how things will switch, people there quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna grow 10 bits, nah, no rush, go and move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove, make your peace and love turn to peace and gloves. Now you gotta do a run up, now you gotta do a run up. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want one? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam. All black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. These brothers my guys, know that they ride or die, know that they ride or die.
Somehow there is even a slight feeling of success. A big step has finally been taken, and the floor at the front is also in great condition. always like this. You have corona and flu and you are absent all the time. To make up time, I stand there for 7 hours a day on 2 days and sand down the underbody. And then put KLine rust stop on it, which looks great, makes me happy and think great. Now you just put 2 coats of 2K epoxy primer over it. And I thought to myself, Ralph, I thought, 2K epoxy is known to get very hard, be very strong and seal everything. The KLine underneath is a bit softer, like synthetic resin paint. And then I thought to myself, if the KLine color moves at high temperatures, the epoxy layer will surely tear. And what happens in the first coat of paint? It rips. I left 7 days between the KLine paint and the epoxy, and now the crap just pops open. What do we conclude from this? We can't leave it like this, because the cracks may open up and the KLine rust stop too. Then water gets in between and then we have trouble. I didn't gain any time at all, but only lengthened everything unnecessarily. The whole thing throws me back 4 weeks easily. I have to grind everything down now. Then 2K epoxy comes directly over it and then 2K acrylic paint. I'm really frustrated right now and I'm going to call it quits for today. You shouldn't continue on days like this. It won't work. Murphy's Law.